Hello, I am Maggie Rose Cunningham. I'm the founder of maggieandrose.com, which is now in its 10th year of operation, delivering resources, training and support to brilliant, magical, creative individuals who are purpose-led and want to make their difference in the world and want to build a powerful personal practice within the Northern European tradition. And what Northern European tradition practice could be complete without rune work. So I'm really excited to be introducing to you my new program, Awakening to the Runes, a Year of Adventure. So this is the program that I wish that I'd had 25 years ago. Little did I know when I picked up my first book on runes and my first rune set up off a shelf in my local bookshop, how powerful the runes really are, that they're not just a divinatory tool, excellent as they are for divination or for wisdom gathering, as I prefer to think of it, but that they are transformational tools. They help us to bring change into our lives. They help us to work in a purposeful way, to align more closely to the reason that we're here on the planet, what it is that we're here to do, and they help us to manifest those changes, those things that we want to bring about. So to my mind, the runes are a foundation stone in Northern European tradition practice. So if you want to go on, if you want to do journeying on the world tree, if you want to follow a shamanic path, if you want to do seership and seed rites, if you want to look at Northern tradition soul law or connect with spirit guides, or work with the deities and the spirits of the Northern European tradition, all of these things are more powerful, more effective, more authentic, more impactful and easier if you have a solid grounding in the runes. So that is the purpose of this program, is to provide you with this solid grounding. But it is not just about gaining knowledge and technique and experience. It's also about facilitating a transformational process for you to bring you more into that purpose that you want, the impact that you want to have in the world. So how does the program work? It's delivered via 49 self-study online modules that you'll get approximately one a week through the course of the year. So you will get 24 modules about the runes of the Elder Futhark, which is the Futhark that we work. It's the oldest of the rune alphabets, as think of them as alphabets. The precursor to the Anglo-Saxon, the Norse, the Old Icelandic, so the most ancient of the rune rows that we know. And those modules include rune song, stories, a really good grounding in the poems, the rune poems themselves, and how the later meanings have accrued to the runes based on the rune poems. So you'll get that ability to sort of assess your sources through looking at those or those older meanings. And you'll also be doing energy channeling work so that you can feel the power of the rune in your body and you can channel it effectively. So you'll have 24 of those. You'll also have 24 sessions looking at different aspects of rune practice. So Galdra work, spell work, starred Galdra, so using your body to make the shapes of the runes and channel them in that way, divination, healing, working with the animals, the different correspondences with the runes, and really exploring that so that you get a really good, clear and firm grounding, but also so that you can get a feel of what do you want your practice to look like, what's going to work best and most effectively for you. And module 49, by the way, is actually module 1, namely the introductory session. But the golden thread running through the program is 12 sessions where we will come together as a group to work on the intentions that you have, so the changes that you want to bring into life, the transformations that you want to achieve. So we'll be using the runes to explore those, using rune casting, rune reading to help to unpack those, to look at what are the obstacles, where are the opportunities, to you bringing that change, and then working with the techniques that you've learned through your 24 practical modules, so that you can start to bring in that transformative, magical, intentional, however you want to view that, that transformational work that's done sort of energetically. There is also a community forum for the group as well, so that you can keep in contact with each other through the course of the year. So that, for me, is really what rune practice is all about. Much as we love, much as we're curious and we love to, you know, do our readings and see what might be happening, might be coming. For me, that's not the purpose of the runes. The purpose of the runes is that transformational piece. So if you would like to join me, or you would like to know more about awakening to the runes, you can visit www.maginrose.com, and you will find all of the booking information there. There are also 2 sessions that you can book onto. You can book onto either one, where you can come and ask more questions about the program, to see if it's for you and if it's something that you want to do. So please do head on over to the website. You can also email me on magin@maginrose.com with your questions. The course will launch on the 30th of June 2020, so you will want to be signed up before then.